Children, now. Okay, good morning, all of you. All of you reached, I think.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today we'll start with discussion of homework. I think it was easy and everybody got it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever I'm asking the question, you have to answer. Clear? So we'll start.
I was having one doubt.
I have
Last
said
3 questions I was having doubt because I was not
I
there.
will
in the-
do-
we'll
we'll do.
for my mother.
We will clear the doubts. Okay. We can start with clearing the doubts now. So first one was
2 into x plus 4.
2x plus 4 is equal to 12.
2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12.
First one. First question was 2 into
2 into
homework.
x plus 4.
Yeah. First question was 2 into x plus 4 equals, just check your answers. Okay. 4 is
12.
equal to 12. Okay. Anybody can answer? Anthony, can you
Yes.
answer? What is the answer you got? What is the answer you got? 2. Very good. See, this 2 will bring to this side. It becomes x plus 4 is equal to 12 by 2. X plus 4 equals 6. X is equal to 6 minus 4. So, x is equal to how much? 2. First
2.
answer.
2.
Oh, all of you got this answer, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
Another one.
Ma'am, I doubt it another method.
Okay. I'll discuss one by one. We'll discuss one by one. Okay. Next question was 3 into n minus 5. 3 into n minus 5 equals negative 21.
Negative 21.
Negative 21. Okay.
Ma'am, can I-
What is the answer you got?
Ma'am, can I say?
Negative 4.
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Very good. See, 3 we will take to right side. So, n minus 5 is equal to negative 21. N is equal to negative 21 plus 5. So, n is equal to how much? It is?
Negative
Yeah, negative 7. Isn't it? 21. Negative 21 plus, sorry, by 3.
No, ma'am, it's wrong.
3 into, sorry.
Ma'am, it's wrong.
It is divided by. Wait.
Ma'am, first we
It's
should take the
divided
3,
by-
right?
3.
1 minute. It was multiplication, right? So it is divided by n minus, I thought why this answer is coming. Negative 21. So we'll divide by 3. So n minus 5 is equal to
Negative
minus
21 by 3.
So n is equal to negative 7
Plus
plus
5.
5.
Negative
So
2.
we'll get n is
7
equal to
plus
negative 2.
Negative
Okay, answer is
7.
negative. Answer is negative 2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The next one.
Ma'am, can I-
Erase all. Okay. Next one. You will get
Negative 4.
negative 4
Into
negative 4
2 plus
into
x
2
is equal
plus x
8.
equals 8. 8. Okay, can you tell Anand what is the answer?
Negative 4.
Yes. Answer is negative 4, correct. We'll get negative 4. So 2 plus x is equal to 8. This we'll take to the side by negative 4.
By negative
2
4.
plus x equals negative 2, isn't it? 8 by negative 4, negative 2. So x is equal to how much? Negative 2
Negative 2.
plus
Minus.
negative 2.
Minus
This
2.
one will take to this side. Okay. So what it will become? Minus 2. 2 negative.
Minus
So answer will be negative
Negative 4. Negative.
Negative 4.
Negative 4 is the answer. Once more, you want to see this one. I'll bring it down. Look, here is the confusion. Which problem you took? Some have confusion. What was it?
Last
problem.
question I have one doubt.
This one?
Five.
This one?
5x by 2 is
Okay.
equal to
This is clear.
negative 5.
This problem is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Next
but
problem.
I got the
it is
answer.
This
5x by
2 by
2.
4. Q by 4.
5x.
7. is
5x
equal
divided
to
by 2.
Equal to 5. 5.
So, okay, I'll ask you, Hessa, what is the answer?
Negative 8.
Negative 8, correct. So Q by 4 is equal to 7 will take to this side 5 minus 7. So Q by 4 equals minus 2, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we'll get? Q is equal to negative
Negative 2 into 4.
4 equals
equal
negative
to
8.
minus
Is
8.
equal to negative 8.
Okay. Yes, next one.
Have to multiply.
It is
5
Yeah.
divided by 2 into x
5
is equal
divided by
to
2.
negative 5.
5x by 2.
5,
Yes.
5 by 2.
5 by 2
is
x
5 by
equal to
2x. 5 by 2x is equal to negative 5.
Negative 5.
Negative 5. So what you will get is
Negative
x is
Negative
equal
2.
to negative
Negative
5
2.
into 2 by 5. Isn't it? Reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we are dividing here. This is multiplied here. So when you take, it will become division. So when you, what is division? Multiply by the reciprocal. So directly you can bring this, multiply by the reciprocal of it.
Ma'am, I done another way.
So what is the answer? 5 and 5 cancelled. Answer x is equal to negative 2.
Negative.
The
Ma'am,
next
I
answer is
did.
wrong. Give
Ma'am, I did another way, but I got the same answer.
answer. Answer
I
is,
got the
this
same
answer is
answer.
correct.
Yes. I got the same answer, but I done in a different way.
Louder, louder.
She's saying
You
that
did it?
she got the answer, but she did it in a different way.
Okay, okay, no problem. How did you do?
Ma'am, I took as like
2 you took
5x
first.
divided by 2.
Okay, no problem. Okay. You might
Ma'am,
have done
I
like
also-
this.
Ma'am,
5
ma'am.
x is equal to negative 5 into 2. Isn't it? That is
Yeah,
also
ma'am.
correct.
Ma'am,
So
I did
5x is
another way.
equal to minus 10. X is equal to negative
By
10 divided by 2. Right? By 5.
Ma'am, that is
Answer
correct,
is
right?
negative 2. It's okay, correct.
Ma'am,
No
that way
problem.
of writing is correct, right? That
Yes,
method is
no
correct,
problem.
right?
Method is correct. Method is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute, don't drop.
Okay, I'll show it from the beginning. Anyway, follow the rules, then it will not go wrong. Okay. Both methods you can do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next problem.
4 by 9.
Yeah. Next question is 3t by 2. 3t by 2 equals 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So simply what it is very easy. T is
4
equal
by
to
9.
2 by 3.
Answer.
4 by
Into
9.
this will become 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3 again. So what is the answer? T is equal to 4 by 9. Answer. Emlina, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I got the same answer the
Okay.
last.
Ma'am,
I did the last problem in that method, right? Same method I did this problem.
Okay, no problem. That is also correct. That is correct. What she says is this one. 3t by 2
Into 2.
equals 2 by 3. First, 3t is equal to 2 by 3 into 2.
Yes.
Isn't it? That is 3t is equal
by
to
3.
4 by 3. Then after that, t is equal to, again, she took this 3 to this side. So it will become t is equal to 4 by 3 into
Well,
We divided
4
by
by 3 divided
3
1
by
by 3.
1.
1 by 3.
So t is equal
4
to 4 by 9 will get.
Ma'am, 3 by 1 we will get
That
right
is also
because
correct.
reciprocal.
multiple.
Multiply by 1 by
She's
3.
saying
Reciprocal.
that how why we are not writing as reciprocal.
Right?
Ma'am, because it was 3t, right? So we should take division, right?
Correct. Division, we took division. Divide by 3. Divide by 3 means what? Multiply by 1
Yes,
by
ma'am.
3. Okay, that's what.
Ma'am,
division of a number by a division of a fraction by another fraction, what will you do? We will take the reciprocal of the
Divisor and
divisor and
multiply.
multiply with the dividend. Okay, that is the reason. Yes,
Ma'am, I have doubt in yesterday's question.
which question?
4x plus 3 is equal to 28.
1 minute.
Ma'am, Aditya is saying
4x.
to let him in.
Yeah, I have done it. What was the question? Tell me.
4x plus 3
Tell me
is
the
equal to
question.
28. 4x plus 3.
4. This one, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it this one?
Yes, ma'am.
4 into. You cannot say 4x plus 3. Okay, you have to say, read it as 4 into x plus 3. Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
4
sir.
into x plus 3. Okay,
Morning.
so take the 4 to the side. X plus
Morning.
3 is equal to 28 by 4. So what is x plus 3? 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 3. X is equal to 4. What is the doubt in that? What is the doubt? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, where is the doubt in that?
I got negative 1.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now I think you know how to solve the equations. Now what we are going to do is next topic, that is application of simple equations to practical situation. What is it? This application of simple equations to practical situation. That is, in the beginning of the chapter you have learned how to frame the expressions, frame the equations, isn't it? Same way, you will be given a situation or you will be given a statement. You have to bring into the mathematical sentence, okay? Or you have to frame the equation and solve it. So we'll do that type of problems. So write down the heading like this. Write the heading, applications of simple equation.
And these all questions we have to write a note.
Write down. Applications of, this is the heading, application of simple equations. Simple equations. Application of simple equations to practical situations. To practical situations. Application of simple equations to practical situations. Okay. Okay. Write down this question. Question 1. It is gone up.
Ma'am, application of simple equation to practical
Situation.
Situations. Situations. Question 1. The sum of 3 times a number, the sum of 3 times a number, 3 times a number and 11 is 32. Find the number. Find the number. Okay. So we'll find out the number. Write down the question, then think and tell me the answer. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32.
Ma'am, 7.
Yes.
7.
Yes.
Ma'am,
very good, very good.
3x plus 11 is equal to 32.
Very good, very good. So first thing what you have to do is check what is asked. What is asked? Find the number. So write, let the number be X or Y or any letter what you want, whatever you want, you can write any letter there. Let the number be X. We'll take X first. X. So what then after that you think what is given? What is given? The sum of 3 times a number. There itself in the working column you can write 3x. Okay, don't frame the equation now. You just write it roughly by the side of the working column. So what is it? 3 times a number means 3x. And 11. Sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. So equals 32. So you can write. So what happens? So what is according to the condition given? 3x plus 11 equals 32. Right?
Ma'am, any keyword is there to find whether we should subtract?
Did you understand, Anand? What did you ask?
Ma'am, is there any keywords to understand
Key is
whether we
this.
should do the subtraction?
First find the number. That you check what is asked. Frame that, write that letter. Okay, unknown letter. Then you read the question. Sum of 3 times a number. So our number is X. 3 times the number means 3x. Times 3 times a number means 3x. If it is 3 more
3x I got.
3 more than means plus 3, x plus 3. 3 less than means x minus 3. Okay, it goes on like that. So we'll get 3x. Sum of, you can see this keyword, no? Sum of. You can, when you read that, you can understand easily. So sum of means just add the both. Add both. Now solve it. Okay, solving 3x
7.
is equal to 32.
7.
I'm 7, right?
Yes.
7
X is equal to 21. X is equal to 21
by 3. So
7.
we will get 7.
7. Answer is 7.
7.
Okay. Answer is 7.
And 1 minute, don't rub.
Huh?
And you need to.
Is it okay? Can I rub?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Yes, write down fast.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Okay.
Ma'am. I finished.
Ma'am, Anthony finished writing.
Answer 7. After that, you can write.
And
Find the number is the
writing.
question. Wait. Find the number is the question. So you have to write required number is 7. That answer you have to write it separately. Okay. In the question answer sheet, you have to write required number. Required number is. This is the way to write the answer. Required number is 7. Okay. This answer should be there. Final answer should be there in the answer paper. 7. Required number is 7. Okay, children? Yes. Now, next question. Next question is this. What's the time? 11. When you multiply a number with, second question, when you multiply a number with, when you multiply a number with 6, write down the question, and subtract. Yes?
Ma'am, someone is talking.
Ma'am,
Please switch off the speakers, children.
ma'am, it's from principal.
Okay. When you multiply a number with 6 and subtract 5 from the product. 5 from the product. Five from the product, you get 7. You get 7. Can you tell what the number is? Can you tell
Yes.
what the number is? Okay. When you multiply a number with 6 and subtract 5 from the product, you will get 7. What is the number?
6y minus 5 is equal to 7.
Okay, very good. So, first step, what is the number? So, let the number be, right, like that. Okay, we'll write it like this. It's gone up.
Ma'am, answer is 6.
Answer is
Answer
6.
is,
6.
answer you got 6.
Y is equal to 6.
Is it 6?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, I got 2.
Ma'am, 2.
2 is the
Ma'am,
answer. 2 is the correct answer which you get. Yeah, check your answers. Okay, so what is the question? Question is, can you tell what the number is? So we'll write, let the number be. Okay, what she took, the number is y. Okay, let the number be y. Okay, so what is the given? When you multiply a number with 6, so multiply that number with 6, 6y. Okay, and subtract 5 from the product. Product is what? 6y is the product. 6 into y, 6y. That is known as the product. What is asked? We have to subtract 5 from it, isn't it?
Yes.
See, subtract
Minus 5.
5 from the product. Subtract 5 from the product. What will you get from the product? You get 7. So the equation is, so
Y is equal to 7.
equation is 6y minus 5
Minus 5 is equal to 7.
So what is the answer? 6y will be equal to 7
7
plus
plus
5.
5
Plus 5.
6y will be
6y is
7
equal
plus
to
5.
12.
is equal to
12.
So 12.
So what is
12
y?
divided by 6.
Y
So
is
we
equal
get
to 12 by
5.
6.
12 divided
Y
by
is equal to
12
2.
divided by 6
2.
equal to 2. So y is equal to 2.
2. So
Required
you have
number
to
is
write the
2.
required number is 2. The required
Required number is 2.
number is 2. The required number is 2. Is it clear, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll give you another type of another set of problems.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell what is the answer of first question? I was having an
Can you
Seven.
speak loudly?
First question
7.
answer is 7.
First question's answer was 7,
7.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, first question's answer 7. Second one 2. Okay. Next set of problems I'll show you. Let me erase this.
Ma'am, these are questions we have to write in our notes.
Note. Write in the note. Write in the note these questions, also these questions. Let me check whether PDF is there. I'll Can you see the figure, children? Can you see the board? I'll make it short.
Yes.
Okay. Just see the next one. Can you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Can you read the problem? First one, set up equations and solve to find.
Solve them to find unknown numbers in the
Solve
following
them to
cases.
find unknown numbers in the following cases. First question, add 4 to 8 times a number. Add 4 to 8 times a number.
8z
And you get
plus
60.
4
So can
will
you
get
frame an
60.
equation? Can you?
And
8z
8z plus 4
8z plus 4
4
will get
equals
Okay,
60.
I'll give you the number M. M is the
8m
letter
plus
number.
4 equals 60. 8m plus 4 equals 60.
Okay, very good. 8m. Write down the equation. Later we'll solve it. Okay. 8m plus 4 equals 60. Can you solve it and tell me the answer?
Ma'am, 7.
Ma'am, 7.
Yes.
7.
7. 8m plus 4 is equal to 60.
Seven.
I'll take another color. Dark color I'll take. 8m. Yeah. 8m plus 4 is equal to 60. So 8m will be what? Equals 60 minus 4. That is 8m is equal to 8m is equal to how much? 56. So what will be m? M is equal to 56 divided by 8. M is equal to 7 you will get. Answer m is equal to 7. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? In this way, you have to do all the problems I won't do. You have to tell me the answer. Okay, do it and tell me the answer. So we'll discuss we'll discuss and finalize the equation. You do it and tell me the answer. Clear?
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now we'll see what is second one. We'll see the second case. Second one, B. Okay, B. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. 1/5.
1 by 4th x minus
1
4.
by 4, I'll give you the x.
minus 4 is equal to 3.
1 by
Okay,
5
find out
x
the
minus
answer.
4 equals
1 by 5. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So you can write it as 1 by 4, 1 by 5 of a number x. Of means into, multiply. So 1 by 5 of x means 1 by 5 into x minus 4 will give you 3. Find out what is x and tell me.
Ma'am, x is equal to 28.
X is equal to how much?
28.
Ma'am, 35.
Answer.
Ma'am, 35.
Yes.
35.
Answer is 35. Correct. Answer is 35. 1 by 5 x minus 4 is equal to 3. So what will you get? 1 by 5 x is equal to 3 plus 4. Isn't it?
Plus 4,
3
7.
plus 4. That is
7.
7. 1 by 5 x is equal to 7. So what is x? X is equal to 7 into 5 by 1. Isn't it? That is 7 into 5. X is equal to 7 into 5, 35. Can you see whatever I am writing on the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it will be more clear if I reduce the size of this. I'll try to do it next time. 1/5 of it. So is it clear, this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Read the next question. C. Question number C.
If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21.
Yes, if I take 3/4 of a number and
3/4 x.
wait 1 minute, I'll tell you the number. Let the number be what? Y is the letter
3
we
by
are going
4
to use.
y
Y.
plus
Okay.
3
Z.
is equal to 21.
Tell me once
3,
more.
4y plus 3 equals
4y
Equal
Yes,
to
3 by
21.
4.
4y plus 3
plus
equals 21.
3
3 by 4y plus 3 is equal to 21.
21.
Correct. If I take 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of a number means 3 by 5 or 3 by 4 of that number. That is 3 by 4 of y, whatever we have taken, and add 3 to it. So plus 3, I get 21. So we can write it as
3y by
just gone. A minute. Take. Okay. Now, if I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. So 3/4 of a number be 3 by 4y and add 3 to it. I'll get 21. So find out the answer and tell me the answer.
24.
24. Got the answer? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is
20.
24.
24.
Correct answer is 24. Others also try whether you are getting or not.
Ma'am, I got 24.
Good.
And
Yes,
24.
ma'am, I also got 20. Ma'am,
Yes, 1 minute. I'll try to 3 by 4y plus 3. Yeah, I want little space here. 3 by 4 y plus 3, isn't it? Okay, the question was, so our this equation was 3 by 4 y plus 3 equals 21. So first we'll take this 3 to this side. So 3 by 4 y is equal to 21 minus 3. So what is 3 by 4? 3 by 4y, what we will get? 21 minus 3, you will be getting as
18.
18. So y is equal to 18 into 4 by 3, right?
Yeah.
4 by 3. 3, 6 are 18. So what is y? Y is equal to 6 into 4. 24. Answer is 24. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
24. I think your time is 11:30, right?
2 more minutes.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
more minutes only. So in the next class, one more period is there, right? Okay.
Ma'am.
One more period is there. We'll answer these questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We start. Will not be able to. Okay. Complete.
Ma'am, when is the next period today?
Next period is there. I have given the timetable. Check it.
140.
Okay. So we'll continue in the next period. I want to correct the attendance once more. Somebody else also have joined today. Joined now. Okay. So children, did you understand today's class? Today, whatever we have
Yes, ma'am.
in the equations. Okay. So in the next period, we will continue. Okay. Let me check the attendance whether anybody is absent, because when I have marked absent and they entered after that. Okay. Adityan Anoop entered. Yes, I think.
Yes,
Adityan, did you leave after that?
No, ma'am, he's here.
Yes. Okay. Adityan is there. Then Abhinav PA.